Professor of Costume Design and Fashion. Now our today's topic is manufacturing process of cotton. What do you mean by cotton? Cotton is one of the fabric. We already know cotton fabric. But cotton is one of the cellulosic fiber and it is also called as vegetable or natural fiber. It is a soft, fluffy like appearance. It is one of a natural cellulosic fiber. And it is a staple fiber. It is also called as king of fiber. It grows like a ball. The fibers are spun into yarn. The yarns are used to make durable, soft and breathable fabrics, textiles. That is cotton fabric. Now we are going to see about the history of cotton. Cotton has been used in India over more than 5,000 years. The main states producing cotton are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Orissa, Punjab, West Bengal, Rajasthan and Sikkim. Now, growth of cotton. Cotton requires a long growing period with a warm climate. It requires plenty of water. Seeds are sown in early spring season, that is February to March. The plants grown on the height of 3 to 6 feet. The blooms appear 80 to 110 days after planting. On the first day of blooming, the flowers looks like creamy white or yellowish color. On the second day, it turns into pink or lavender color. After 50 to 60 days, the pods mature and burst. The cotton is ready for picking and harvesting. Picking can be done by either hand or machine. Now, the flow chart shows how the manufacturing process can be undertaken. First one is cotton pod. Next process, ginning. In this ginning process, the fibers and the seeds are separated, and then next process is lap formation. The fibers are combined together to form a lap sheet-like structure, and then next process is carding. In this carding process, the fibers are converted into slivers, and then doubling process. The slivers are evenly spreaded, and then combing process. In this combing process, the fibers are combed to form a fine fabric, and then drawing process. Slivers are separated into make more slivers, and then roving process. In this roving process, before that spinning, the fibers are given to make slight twist, and then last process is spinning. In this process, the fibers are converted into yarn. These are the manufacturing process step by step. The chart shows like that. First one is cotton pod. The cotton pod. The fibers and seeds are separated. The seeds are used for making seed oil. The seed oil is used to make soap and cosmetics. Short fibers are called lins. Long fibers are separated and then sent for spinning process. Cotton is a mass compressed into bales. Next process is ginning. The bales are opened and ginning process is carried out. The process of separating, how the ginning process? The process of separating from seeds of cotton is called spinning. In this ginning process can be done by hand or machine. Cotton being sent to dryers to reduce the moisture content, and then cleaning equipment is used to remove the foreign particles. The cotton is then sent into a yard conveyed to gin strands, where revolving circular saws pulls the lint and the saw teeth by air blast. By rotating brushes, the cotton are collected into a fine cotton are collected, and then the seeds are separated into and collected into a trash. Then the cotton will compress into 500 pounds weight contained bales. These bales are assigned grades based on the length, fineness and trash content and color. Then the bales are shipped to the textile spinning mill for further process. Next process is lap formation. First step, dirt from the cotton fiber is removed and the fibers are made into a soft lap. Lap means sheet like structure, that is called a lap. Then the several laps are combined together and rotate in a rod. So next process is carding. In this carding process, the fibers are separated, smoothed and drawn together to form a loose rope that is called sleeves. These sleeves are passed into a big drum. And then next process is combing process. All the fibers are not needed to combing process. Only the yarns, whichever we want fine yarns, means this combing process can be done. Combed yarns are very fine, thin and even. There is no plant stock in it. These slivers are brushed and then the fine fibers are converted into slivers. That is called corded slivers. They are used for finer quality of yarn like oil or organdy. Next process is doubling. In this process, the slivers are combined here for uniformity. And then next process is drawing. The slivers are then combined, smoothened and stretched. The slivers may be drawn, reduced further in size and given a slight twist by a process called roving, which slivers is passed through rollers and wound to the bobbins. Set into a spindles. It is done in a speed frame. Next process is roving. The bobbins are placed on the roving frame where further drawing and twisting takes place until the cotton stalk is about pencil-like diameter. In this roving process, the fibers are converted into slivers. The slivers are like a pencil-like diameter. Next process is spinning. Done in spinning frame where the cotton stalk process through a set of high-speed rollers and gives a yarn at desired thickness. So the fibers are converted into yarn. The last process is spinning. The yarns go to the weaving unit. In this weaving unit, the yarns are converted into a fabric. And then the fabric, last end uses of the fabric. Cotton is used for home furnishing products like draperies, curtains, tablecloths, table mats, bedspreads, pillow covers. Wide range of wearing apparels like blouses, jackets, shirts, pants, skirts like that, etc. Okay, thank you.